Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on your Facebook app. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up our Facebook app right here after you have made sure that your Facebook is up to date through your App Store or your Play Store. So once you've settled that, let's just click on this menu option at the bottom right hand corner. And from here, let's scroll down a bit and you should be able to see the settings and privacy options. So just click on that to expand the drop down menu. And let's click on settings once again. And from here, under the preferences section, you should be able to see the option that says language and region. So let's just click on that. And there are many language options or settings that you can customize. So the language for buttons, titles, and other text, the language you'd like to have the post translated into. So you can choose whichever you like to change, and however you want to change the language on the Facebook app itself, so like the whole buttons, titles, and other text. So let's click on this first option that says language for buttons, click on that. And it should be redirected to your phone settings. So from here, it should look like this on iPhones, and the preferred language section, we should be able to customize it as well. So just click on language right here. And for example, I want to change the language to the Korean, for example. I'm just going to click on Korean right here. And let's go back to the Facebook app, and it should load like that, so that it will be translated into Korean. So that is how you can basically change the language on Facebook app. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.